everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my favorite nude lip gloss combinations. If you're familiar with me and my beauty channel, then you know that I love me a good old nude glossy lip. So I have about 4 lip combinations laid out. So if you like to see these different lip combinations, then definitely stay tuned. Let me just start off by saying that I'm not a real trendy person when it comes to makeup. Like, I have my favorites, I have the things that I like, and I usually stick to those. I'll try different products, makeup products overall, but if I don't have a genuine, sincere interest in it, then I'm not gonna go out and pick up some kind of product just because it's a trend, it's trendy. And I say that because a lot of these lip combinations or a lot of these lip products that I'm gonna show you guys, they're not new necessarily. They are just like staple makeup products that I feel like you just can't go wrong with having. So I always stick with the dark brown lip pencils. So the first one is raggedy, but it's another staple to have in your closet, and this is MAC's Cork. You guys can see that right there. Cork is really close to my skin tone, so if I don't want to really define lip, then I'll go with Cork. This other one that's my favorite is by NYX, and it's the color Expresso, and it's just a chocolate brown. So that's Cork, and this is Expresso. The last one I have been wearing out for a while now. I honestly haven't even touched the other two in a while, and I think it's NYC brand. I picked this up at Walgreens and it was like $1, but this is a really dark, not black, but pretty close to black, almost. Well, not close to black, but it's definitely like that grayish undertone type of brown. And this is like my favorite go-to right now. So I have Cork, MAC Cork, and NYX Espresso, and then this NYC, and I don't know the color of it, but it's just like the dark brown. So I think I'm gonna go with this one today. As usual, my lips are always moisturized. My favorite lip products for moisturizing, I am a Carmex fanatic. I've tried every kind of Carmex. I used to use the tube, but for like the last year, I've been kind of sticking with the chapstick kind. And then I also love Vaseline. So this is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Cocoa Butter, which I need some more. So I usually use these two to keep my lips moisturized. As you can see, this one gives me like that real like definition. And we can I like to kind of blend it out so it's not too harsh. So the first one that I'm going to show you guys is my ultimate favorite that I've been wearing for years, and it is MAC Snob. Like, Snob is an oldie, but it will always be a goodie. Like, I can never go wrong with this lip gloss, but it's just like your standard pink gloss. Then my current favorite on top of Snob is another MAC product, and it's from one of those Nicki Minaj collaborations, and it is Under the Sheets lip glass. So now I'm going to wipe that off, and then we're going to go to the next lip. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss. And this is in the color Gingersnap. This is another one of my personal favorites. I've been wearing this one off and on for a while too. And it's like this really chocolatey brown color. So I'm just going to apply that. This is how it looks by itself. It's just like it looks like my natural lip color almost. So I'm gonna pair that one with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is like a really popular lip gloss right now. Now moving on to my next combination. These are also Odie's lip products. So the first one is a lipstick. It's a matte lipstick from MAC Cosmetics, and it is in the color Yash. And so it's just like a really standard nudie color. Now this is a very chalky lipstick, so I wouldn't advise anyone to wear this lipstick without a liner. I'm gonna pair it with another MAC Odie, which is Oyster Girl. And it's also another champagne-y type lip gloss. Alright, and now moving on to the last combination. So this is actually a fairly new combination that I just started wearing. And this is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip, and it's in the color Jubilee. And it's like this really deep, kind of with like a reddish undertone to it. Kind of has like this burgundy-ish undertone. So this is how it looks on its own. And if you guys haven't noticed, I normally go for like a solid base and then I'll apply like a glittery gloss on top. Like each one, they've always been kind of a solid color, and then I'll always go over it with a glittery gloss. So sticking with that theme, that's just kind of how I like to pair my lip glosses. So again, that's Jubilee on my lips. And now I'm going to take this lip gloss, which is Brilliant Effects lip gloss. I found this like randomly at my CVS. I've never even heard of this brand before I purchased it, but this is just like a brown nudie kind of gloss with these pink shimmers in it. Alright, so there we have it. Those were my top 4 nude lip combinations. And the thing that I really love about nude combinations is that I can go in and mix all 8 of these lip glosses any kind of way. In my video, if you ever see a nude gloss, it's probably one of these combinations. So yeah, that is it. So let me know which lip combination you like the most. If you have any nude lip gloss lipstick recommendations for me, definitely leave them down below. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next video. Bye.